In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record manual journals in Zoho Books by providing a comprehensive guide specifically tailored for 2025. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll access various features of the platform. Once you've reached the dashboard, look for the Accountant option on the sidebar and click on it. This opens up the accounting section where you'll manage different accounting tasks. Next, navigate through the options and click on Manual Journals. This section is where all your journal entries will live. Now look for the Create New Journal button and click on it to start recording a new journal entry. At this point, you're beginning the process of documenting a specific financial transaction manually. As you continue, you'll see a highlighted field for entering specific details. Click on it to activate the field where you'll put in various inputs. You'll then be prompted to choose a date for the journal entry. Click on the calendar icon, likely indicated by a 15, to select the date your journal entry should reflect. After this, enter your reference number. The reference number is essential as it serves as a unique identifier for your journal entry, making it easier to locate or cross-reference in the future. Once you've entered that information, move on to the next section where you'll type in any additional notes. These notes can provide context for the transaction and serve as reminders for future reference or audits. Continuing with the entry, you'll need to select an account. Clicking on Select an Account will open a list of available accounts. Choose Advanced Tax if it aligns with this particular journal entry. After choosing the account, there's another highlighted field where you'll need to type in a description or any other necessary detail. This ensures clarity and information completeness in your records. Moving forward, you'll need to select a contact for this transaction. By clicking on Select Contact, a list of contacts will appear. Choose the appropriate contact, such as a vendor or customer associated with the transaction, sometimes displayed as XYZ for privacy or demonstration purposes. In the next phase, it's time to enter the amount related to the journal entry. The input field is typically straightforward, so type in the exact amount that corresponds to the transaction you're recording. Once all the information is accurately filled in, you have two options to proceed: Save as Draft or Save and Publish. Click Save as Draft if you are not yet ready to finalize the entry and may require further revisions. Alternatively, if everything is set and reviewed, click Save and Publish to finalize and post your journal entry to the records, and there you have it. You've successfully recorded a manual journal in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial data is accurately tracked and managed. This step-by-step approach forms the backbone of effective bookkeeping for your business.